Hi, in this video, I will show you how to add citations and references to your Word document. Whether you are a student, researcher, or just someone who wants to give credit where it's due, then this tutorial is for you. So, let's get started. First, open your Word document. This is our sample Word document. Now, head over to the References tab at the top of the screen and click on it. You'll see options for citations and bibliography. Before we begin citing, make sure you know the required citation style for your document. Different fields and institutions often have their own preferred style, like APA, MLA, IEEE, or Chicago. Now, click on Style and choose your desired citation style. Let's insert our first citation. Position your cursor where you want the citation to appear and click on Insert Citation. Choose Add New Source if it's your first time citing that source. Click on Add New Source, and you can choose the type of source you are citing from the list: books, conference proceedings, interviews, or even websites. Fill in the necessary information in the dialog box that appears. Now click on OK. Word will add the citation in the correct format. To create a bibliography or references page, move your cursor to where you want it. It's normally at the end of the document, and click on Bibliography. Choose either Bibliography, References, or Works Cited, depending on your citation style. Click on it, and Word will automatically generate the list for you. So that's how to add citations and references in Microsoft Word. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.